Ganda. Start to recite about the basic conversation at home in Arabic. Number one, what is the Arabic of you cook now? Eat bakilan. What about the cut the onions? Cut al-basal. Cut the tomatoes. Cut the tomatin. The breakfast is ready. Al-futuru jahis. Okay, the lunch is ready. Jahis. The dinner is ready. Al-asha'u jahis. Ano al-sasa? Al-asha jahis. Ulit tayo. You cook now. Cut the onion. Cut the tomatoes. The breakfast is ready. The lunch is ready. The dinner is ready. Ano? Al-asha'u ji, ju. Hindi siya kahis. Al-asha'u jahis. Yan. Thank you, Alf Mabro.